Welcome to episode 4 of turning my standalone garage into a YouTube studio. My friend Caleb with New Beginnings Construction has killed it. He's worked so hard, he's done so much work. As you saw in the last couple videos, we poured a concrete floor in here. We put the extra framing on the walls, we put the lights, we put new electrical. Yesterday there was a wall that went in, that was episode 3. There was a wall, there was wood siding on the outside, there's a door. So now we're inside the space and it is so cool and so great. There are a couple things that have to happen today that haven't happened yet. The first thing is we have to do some more electrical. I say we, Caleb, electrical, he's an electrician. So Caleb is gonna do the electrical. We're gonna put a switch over here. We're gonna add an outlet on the ceiling back here so that I can have a light or whatever. Just having power in the ceiling seems like a good idea for a YouTube studio. So that I can get a big light. Ideally, I can get a big light, and then I can find a way that I can mount it up high with the light dome so I don't have a big tripod, because I don't have much floor space, right? This place is maybe 11 by 17. I actually haven't measured it since we've put in the 2x4s and the concrete. But all of that to say, I think having light on the ceiling will be a great idea so I can mount mics, I can mount lights, and have some floor space open. The other thing that we have to do is back on this corner, back here, we have to put a cutoff. So the cutoff is going to be for the air conditioner, because there is a sponsor for this video, and I'll give you more details later on the sponsor. But on this wall, there's going to be a mini split that will do heat and cool, and so the main unit will be there, and then the lines will run out, and behind the building, back behind this wall, will be the little compressor. And so it has to have 220, and so we have to rent it from the panel, yada, yada, yada. But this is really cool. So much good work to do today. It really is taking shape. If you want to support the channel, and I've mentioned that I feel strange about this, so there is a PayPal link in the description below. Check it out if you feel so inclined to support the work of this channel. But I am so excited. This is an amazing space, and I can't wait to see it completed. So here come more time lapses of the work today. I think today might be insulation, drywall, electrical. I'm still not 100% sure, but such good work. So check out all the links in the description below. This is awesome. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Jeremy, I'm the Guitar Hunter. I know that this video had nothing to do with guitars, but it has everything to do with the future of making cool guitar videos. If you're here just because you like garage renos, congrats, welcome, I'm glad you're here. I've watched tons of videos like this, and I love this kind of content. So, if you like it, give me a thumbs up down below. If you like guitars, if you like friendship, if you like music, if you like making the world a better place than it currently is, this channel is probably for you and a good, helpful place. So thanks for all your support. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below. If you want to donate, there's a link in the description below. You guys are the best. Can't do it without you. Literally cannot do this without you. Have fun. I'll see you soon.